the speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
The worst day on Wall Street since the crash of 1987.
In leadership or offered environmentally friendly policies and technology. We see this time and time again from BlackRock. They do something that seems like they're moving in the right direction and said that gun manufacturers should do more to protect the lives of the American people. So these companies about improving safety, but so far, so does its engagement with authoritarian governments. Or unknowingly, given BlackRock money, self-imposed mandates to help reduce that over time.
Releasing its numbers this morning, shares are down about 1.2%. About expectations, it's all about
around that business, but seems to be growing.
Are you curious about generating passive income through automated trading on Bybit? I've got something interesting to share, and it's completely free. Click on the link below to follow along with my trades, and you won't even need to sit in front of your computer all day. You can also take a look at my monthly trading earnings, which I'm sharing openly by clicking the link in the description. It's all about making financial gains at your own pace. Check it out.
We asked ChatGPT what they thought the price of a Shiba Inu will be in 2024, and the results will surprise you. The hyper-intelligent AI said that the cost of a Shiba Inu could increase dramatically very soon. You should watch this if you own any SAIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu. What, therefore, is the projected value of SAIB by ChatGPT for the year 2024? What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? What impact will all of this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. But before we dive into our subject, let's examine the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on November 6th. The cost of a Shiba Inu is currently about 820 units. Shiba's price has increased by 0.8% during the past day, with $163 million worth of trades during that time. The token is now the 18th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market cap of more than $4.8 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Shiba Inu smashes through yet another significant benchmark. Shiba Inu's most recent accomplishment, Shiba Inu, the well-known meme coin, is still a hot issue among many cryptocurrency users, and news about the token is constantly making headlines. The Layer 2 blockchain solution, Shibarium, is one feature that draws a lot of attention. It went live in August and accomplished a number of milestones in the months that followed. The total number of blocks on the network has reportedly crossed 1.5 million, according to Shibarium Scan. Furthermore, with over 3.8 million transactions to date, the total number of transactions is slowly approaching the desired 4 million mark. Shibarium wants to put Shiba Inu ahead of its competitors in the meme currency space by increasing speed and decreasing transaction fees, even though it already has more than 1.2 million addresses. Its continued development is hailed as a positive indicator that can drive up Shiba's price. Overnight, the number of large Shiba Inu transactions increased by an astounding 420%. The Shiba Inu coin has experienced extraordinary on-chain dynamics, characterized by an unparalleled spike in large transactions in an astonishing turn of events. The blockchain analytics company Into the Block has noticed a significant increase in transactions totaling $100,000 or more. Whale transactions involving SAIB have increased dramatically in the last 24 hours, rising by $33.78 million, a startling 420% increase. The astounding $4.11 trillion in SHIB tokens that have been exchanged as a result of this abrupt upsurge have driven the daily total of transactions to an astounding $5.44 trillion. The transfer of an incredible $4.4 trillion worth of tokens, or $35.82 million in SHIB value, from one anonymous wallet to another was the main cause of this incredible surge in value. There were just 2 transfers made on this newly established wallet about 12 hours prior to this transaction. The price of SHIB spiked sharply in tandem with this wave of large-scale Shiba Inu token trades. After settling during the previous 10 days, SHIB's price is now hinting at an impending breakout at 815 units. The significance of this recent spike is highlighted by the fact that this is the highest token price since the end of August, when the Shibarium project was launched. The token is still making waves, leaving traders and fans excited about what lies ahead for this well-liked digital asset as the Shib community looks on in wonder. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really aids with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments regarding the Shiba Inu currency. This week, Shiba Inu needs to be aware of 3 things. This week saw the successful debut of Shiba Inu amidst a general mood of cryptocurrency consolidation. Industry leader Bitcoin has experienced a decline of 0.88%. Nevertheless, Shiba Inu has experienced increase. As the week approaches and Shiba Inu exhibits growth divergence from Bitcoin, there are 3 Shiba Inu triggers. 3 major elements: its trading volume and whale activity, its deflationary or burn rate, and the locked Shibarium total value, have the potential to significantly boost its growth performance. The rate at which the free market stacks Shiba Inu is important because it will increase trading volume and contribute to increased liquidity, both of which are necessary for a stable market. As this metric has grown by 71% to $193 million in the last day, the objective here is straightforward and focused on building on the present growth trends. Whale contributions are also intended to have an effect on this measure because a boost from major purchasers can have a big influence. For the most of the year, Shiba Inu burn rate has served as a stabilizing force when other measures were not as significant. With only under 1.3 million SHIB tokens burned so far, the burn rate is at its most distressed right now. An increase in this measure has the potential to drastically alter the game's cost. The Shibarium ratio Shibarium is the last important consideration to be aware of. Will the chain continue to function without hiccups? Will there be the release of new decentralized applications capable of causing transaction surges? Will there be an attack? A well-managed protocol has the power to transform the game for all parties involved this week and beyond, giving users and investors in the Shiba Inu ecosystem back confidence. But stay tuned as we uncover more information about the Shiba Inu coin and how it could impact the project's worth both now and down the road. When the market phenomena of Shiba Inu overtakes Bitcoin Cash is exposed, the market valuation of the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has surpassed that of Bitcoin Cash. At this point, money is flooding the cryptocurrency market, pushing it to its highest point of the year. Shiba Inu has surpassed Bitcoin Cash, which now has a market valuation of $4.66 billion, to take the 18th position among cryptocurrencies, with a market capitalization of $4.81 billion. Crypto analyst Ali said that a lot of money is currently entering the whole crypto market, indicating high investor confidence. He continues by stating that positive capital inflows totaling over $10.97 billion were observed, which is the greatest amount since 2023. An intriguing phenomenon in the market is that a significant portion of the cryptocurrency market is this growing confidence in digital assets, visible when evaluating the altcoin market cap's recent performance. This illustrates how investor capital cascades, since rising Bitcoin dominance tends to drive up altcoin valuations in comparison to fiat currencies. This has been demonstrated over the past week as smaller cap assets have experienced an increase in value alongside Bitcoin. There are signs of a long-term demand-driven rebound, even though the price momentum is short-term getting overheated. Crypto cycles have historically followed a pattern wherein capital progressively moves to smaller caps and riskier chances after Bitcoin surges first. But in contrast to the rise of other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's market capitalization has increased significantly in 2023, This illustrates a fascinating situation in the market where the altcoin space performs far worse than Bitcoin, but much better than fiat currencies and traditional assets like gold. Now for the major narrative of today's video. ChatGPT has predicted the Shiba Inu price for the beginning of 2024. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that is experiencing a downturn, much like most other assets in the market. However, according to data gathered by ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence platform, the well-known Dogmein cryptocurrency may be off to a better start in 2019. Finbold actually inquired of ChatGPT, the most recent iteration of the OpenAI brainchild, what the starting price of a Shiba Inu would be in 2024, using both technical signs and historical data and trends. On November 6, ChatGPT provided a thorough response based on their perspective. What forecasts ChatGPT? According to the AI purchase, Shiba Inu might trade at least 1,357 units in the first part of 2024, which would still be a 6 to 7% gain from the price at the time of publication. However, it also stated that the price might go as high as 1,619 units, a 98% increase. As stated otherwise, this implies that the mean value of the ChatGPT forecasts would be approximately 1,400 units, implying a 71% increase over the current price of the 18th most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Could this forecast prove to be accurate? All things considered, Shiba Inu might actually reach the ChatGPT 4 predicted price range if the signs are good. It continues to attract enough investor interest, and its staff keeps working on developing the SHIB ecosystem, including the Shibarium network. Because they trust the Shiba Inu developers and the actual worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling SHIB for the next 5 years, and will instead hold millions of them. What number of ones do you guys have? Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Remember to include a list of your SHIB holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the SHIB bearer credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu in the comments section.